Welcome to this guide on the best Bifrost wallet for beginners. The Bifrost Wallet is one of the most versatile crypto wallets available today, designed to make managing cryptocurrencies simple, secure, and efficient. For beginners, the first thing to know is that this wallet allows users to store multiple digital assets, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other popular tokens, all in one place. It is also non-custodial, meaning you retain full control over your private keys and funds, which is crucial for security. Setting up the Bifrost wallet is straightforward. Download the app from the official website or trusted app stores. Once installed, you can create a new wallet by following the guided steps. You will be prompted to generate a recovery phrase, usually 12 to 24 words. It is extremely important to write this phrase down and keep it secure, as it is the only way to recover your wallet if your device is lost or compromised. The wallet interface is intuitive. On the home screen, you can see your balances in real time and track your portfolio. Sending and receiving funds is simple. Enter the recipient's wallet address, select the token, and confirm the transaction. Transaction fees are displayed in dollars before confirming, allowing you to manage costs efficiently. Bifrost Wallet also supports staking for certain cryptocurrencies, enabling beginners to earn rewards while holding assets, which can be a passive income source in dollars over time. Security features include biometric authentication, PIN codes, and optional multi-signature support. These safeguards ensure that even if your device is accessed by someone else, your funds remain protected. Overall, Bifrost Wallet offers a combination of simplicity, security, and functionality that makes it ideal for beginners entering the crypto space. With this wallet, managing digital assets, making transactions, and even exploring earning opportunities becomes a smooth experience without unnecessary complications.